forecast.
Well, right before the sun goes down here shortly, we have a little break in the clouds as seen from the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport. Some patches of blue. It's been another rather cloudy day. Again, cool temperatures and some gusty northerly winds. 58 currently at the airport, made it up to 64 this afternoon, roughly 11 degrees below average for a daytime high. And as we take a look at numbers in the Shenandoah Valley, mostly cloudy skies, 53 the current number, only touched 59 for high today. We've got 58 in Madison, 55 currently in Orange, 59 in Palmyra, 54 there in Livingston, and some lower 50s from Waynesboro to Stanton to Harrisonburg. Satellite radar combination will show you basically what we've been dealing with. You can see how most of the clouds in the shower, most of the rain showers have been farther off to our north and west throughout the day, but all this is spinning around a big area of low pressure higher up in the atmosphere, and then an area of low pressure at the surface that's off the Delaware and Maryland coast. Get a little closer here on NBC29's Doppler radar, and there's not a whole lot to see. Some of us have encountered a few sprinkles today, maybe a brief shower. Earlier, it looked like a few light showers worked through portions of Augusta and Nelson counties. Temperatures overnight in the mid to upper 40s to around 50. Again, we'll hold on to the cloud cover. And then tomorrow, clouds should begin to thin for some sunshine. Overall, we'll call it a mix of sun and clouds, anywhere from the upper 60s to near 70 for daytime highs. So trending milder and then warmer as we get into Thursday and Friday, really the pick of the week. That'll be ahead of the next cold front. Cold front will come through on Friday. That looks to come through dry, but it will usher in much cooler numbers as we move into the weekend. I want to show you the water vapor imagery. It's sort of like a X-ray scan of the atmosphere, but this is showing us moisture content. This charcoal color, orange color, that's dry air, but you can clearly see the upper low, and it's basically stuck over Virginia here this afternoon. There's a surface low farther to the east, but until this moves out, which right now it hasn't not a whole lot to move it, that's the pattern that we've been stuck in over the last several days. Really the remnants of what was in, plus this broad upper low, keeping the Atlantic coast, mid-Atlantic and the Northeast certainly unsettled, and that's the onshore flow of wind. It certainly causes issues and marine hazards, and again, a lot of rain, cool temperatures. This pattern will begin to break down, and once it does, that's going to allow this warmer air out across portions of the Ohio Valley to start to work in our direction. But tonight, we'll kind of still hold on to the cloud cover. I wouldn't rule out a sprinkle or a shower, but most of us dry. In the 40s tomorrow morning, and then by afternoon, we should see more in the way of some sunshine, 65 to around 70. We'll start Thursday morning in the chilly 40s widespread, and as we move into Thursday afternoon, we're well in the 70s. That'll likely be the case on Friday as well before that cold front goes in here Friday afternoon. 45 to around 50 here tonight. We hold on to the clouds. A look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Got some milder air to deal with as we go through the mid and late week, and then cold front coming through on Friday will usher in northwesterly winds by the evening. That'll drive much cooler temperatures in here for this weekend, upper 50s and low 60s, and those morning lows will be in the 30s. So we'll likely be dealing with our first frost and maybe for some freeze conditions of the autumn season.
Bye-bye allergies, maybe?
I don't think, we'll see. It could be a light frost, but areas to the west will likely have more of a freeze. We kind of need a freeze to get rid of the ragweed.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you. We will be right back.